The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Umintirang ba kajalau konrad ke sangma kakada terik ruber rahiar syatura banjurim badla kakurim kametap candi sangma MLA ka Gambegre constituency yaki caka basakta na ka jingmi ka huri hura ka balasdang na du ka khandai terik ruber arjar penrio hagani si na kaliang mintirang ba kajala ulai kran ru pat kin nongsong snong hakba maryo jingtep halo ka jingduna ki marba mardi namar ka jingya huri hura harai mai mar labtha iki bod district bankmi banpen biang iki junon kam
Weh, kau gemukun semua ibu cip lupa ngu cekir ngu nak masuk untuk balap nak sekali. Buat apa nak dia? Di arah ni. Arah ni ni cuma. Cak kau dah mana ni? Ada masa apa tu mahu? In RML area, in and around RML, there are about 7-8 localities here. So there is shortage of rice and shortage of eating materials. I think we should contact all the development committees in this area. ADCs, you put them on board. All the development committees, and we should distribute according to the list that they give. We'll give a bit of rice to everybody. This will be done ASAP. Because the areas affected is not much. It's only this RML area mainly. But then we'll expand it to other areas also. But as of now, it is RML area. जहाँ से भी करना है करो बस काम करो बस बाद में देखिए कैसे करना है क्या करना है हाँ
Hakani kasi ki nongsong snong ka West Garol district lapan ko yaki saudong saukun hadien ka jingsha penjulor na ka jingya huri hura ka bala jurupha hakini ki kendiat kenta ki bala dam.
BFC अपनी गाड़ी को सोके बने पेरा
Habatin, pej bahagi Kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya Kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bhag pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka Kashab plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya